Hello guys, welcome back on Audio Tribe YouTube channel. In this video we will gonna make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the Philips Ambilight TV, the one from 2025. I bought these speakers with $500 and in my opinion for $500 you get lots of TV. It has 55 inch, that means it has 139 centimeters. It has 4K QLED smart TV with 3-sided Ambilight, and again for me the Ambilight that continues the image on the back of the TV worth every penny. So let's see what we have in the box. As you see, this is not small, this is kind of big, but of course you can find bigger TV on the market. This is my first time that I am unboxing a TV, and before this speaker I had this before this TV I had another Philips Ambilight from 2020. So here we have the legs, and this is heavy duty, it is very heavy. The stand up, some manuals that of course no one reads, batteries for the smart TV, for the smart remote. It looks very good, the remote, I will show you in a second. Of course it has the power cable, the big manual that no one reads. I hope I will not damage anything. I am used to unboxing speakers, but smart TVs or TVs that big I am not that used to. So this is the stand, it looks good. And now the actual TV. Of course it looks good, but I can hardly wait to mount it. Let's see what we have in the box. So nothing more. I will mount the stand and I will turn it on. So I mount the stand. Here is the charging port. Here is the CI port, the service unit, USB 2, USB 1, and here on the bottom part we have the satellite, the TV antenna, the HDMI 1, HDMI 2, ARC and ARC, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, and digital network audio. So it has all the ports, but of course it doesn't have the jack. Okay, so this is the TV and this is the remote. When I plug it into the socket, the cable, it started directly, and I put the batteries here on the back. Now let's pair the remote control. Pairing your remote control. As you see, it has Netflix, Prime Video, Disney channels, app, and YouTube. Here, I don't know if you can see it, are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the Ambilight button, and select your country, then press OK. You must enter the 4-digit code. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wi-Fi, wireless. So it found the digital and the analog channels, and of course the radios. We are done. Internet services, okay. Personalized start. I will use home cinema. Ambilight wall color selection. It looks pretty interesting. Congratulations, you have completed this TV installation. Enjoy your TV. Finish. Ambilight TV. Look at it. It looks amazing. So it entered the menu. So we have the TV, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, Focus, YouTube. Of course we have recommended, we have lots of things, but I want to go to YouTube and test a video. Of course it has voice activated control, so I will only tell allow Peru. Okay, this is the one. So the volume up and down, and now I will tell you the specifications. So it has 55 inches, that means 139 centimeters. It has a panel type 4K Ultra HD QLED, resolution 3840 by 2160, so this has a 4K UHD. It has a native refresh rate of 120 Hz, but it supports up to 144 Hz for compatible gaming sources. Picture editor, it has the Philips P5 Perfect Picture Engine. It has 3-sided Ambilight, HDR formats, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus. It has the Titan operation system. It has the smart TV apps, the Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Amazon Prime, HBO, BBC, iPlayer, and more. Of course you can control by your voice the smart TV. It has 8 gigabits of flash storage. It has HDMI. It has variable refresh rate. It has auto low latency mode. It has audio system that has 2.0 channel system that give us 40 watts of RMS output. It has Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, DTS, Play-Fi support. And the main strength of this TV is the QLED panel with vibrant colors, the Ambilight on 3 sides, excellent gaming support, 4K 120 Hz or up to 144 Hz VRR, Dolby Vision Plus, Dolby Atmos, modern Titan OS smart platform, and of course the inputs on the back. Philips the One Ambilight Smart TV. In my opinion, it is one of the best smart TVs that cost less than $500. It looks amazing. It is big. It is smart. It gives us amazing lights. It gives us Ambilight. So, in my opinion, this is a very good buy. Of course, I like the Philips brand because it has the Ambilights on the back, and I really like the new improved remote control. As you saw, it switches very good between the pictures, you see, and it moves very fast. Of course it has the 8 gigabits of RAM. Look at the colors. I don't know if the camera captured it, but it looks crystal clear. So I am very curious, what TV do you have and what TV do you think it is the best buy for only $500? In my opinion, this is one of the best, but probably we have TVs that are from Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL and lots of manufacturers. Please let me know in the comments which TV do you like, which TV do you have,